programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Sana ako na lang si Catherine Bernardo para makadate ko si Daniel Padilla. Makapuntang na nga sa eskwelahan.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd.
Now, asan ka na? Tagal-tagal mo kanina pa ako naghintay dito. Hello, nandito na ako. Sige, pasaktan ka, sige, bye. Oh, nandyan ka na pala. Gusto na? Tara, punta na tayo. Ay, mga naman lalaki dito. Tingin nga. Ay, oo nga, tara na sa labas. Ganda classmate ka ba? Tulad pag demandano ka pare. Sige. Sige pare. Sabay bumataas na rin.
Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa. Baby. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But when it doubt, she a silly hoe. Cause she know the Frankenstein getting plenty dough. She don't get nothing from my nigga though. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios. Kinda send it out, but I'm never out. But I put them in the dirt with the penny loud. No tint out on my window. So you see a nigga shining in the window.
I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I play the shots. I call the calls. We in this bitch. Class, take your seat. Okay, class, seats. I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I play the shots. I call.
It's 12 p.m. I'm hungry. Let's eat.
Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick she so.
Yo, what's up with that class? There's only like 4 guys and 2 of them are gay.
Yeah, dude, what the hell? Ba't kaya walang matinong lalaki dito sa classroom natin? It's because you don't have money there. Ah, para yun lang, duh. Yeah.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why are you guys late? Because these 2 faggots creep me out.
Okay?
Oh, hey, calm down. You're gonna fight it. Watch like that after class, faggot.
Yung dalawang classmate natin na lalaki, gwapo naman sila pero maangas lang.
Bakit ganun sila?
Pumalay ko sa kanila. Hindi naman natin sila inaano parang wala lang.
Hello pare, nasan ka?
Yo, I'm here at Silingit. Why?
Ha? Nasan ka sa Salingid? Nandito rin ako eh. Bilisan mo, punta ka dito sa lugar ko. Nakita ko yung dalawang bakla, nandito sila.
Sige, I'm on my way. Where they stay?
Right there.
Ay, yan na sila!
Yo, you got a problem with me?
Just beat him up.
Tama na!
Serve you right, man.
Tama na kayo!
Faggot.
Ugly.
Uy, anong nangyari dito?
Sinuntok nila, sige!
Tara!
Dalhin natin siya kay Mr. Buenavista.
Anong nangyari?
Sinuntok siya ng dalawang lalaki, sir.
Asan yung dalawa?
Yun po, sir, oh.
Oy, kayo, dalawa. Sige, dito. Boy, bakit niyo tinungtok si Kim? Because I hate him and he's gay. Yeah, he's gay. Bakit niyo siya sinuntok?
Because he's gay. Yeah, ugly faggot.
Pero di naman basta-basta pwedeng sampakin na lang o suntukin ng isang tao. Alam niyo dito sa mundo, it's not being gay or straight, it's being bad or good. Lahat ng tao dito sa mundo may silbi. Kaya wag yung sampalin na lang o suntukin ng isang tao. Kaya makipag-alis kayo.
Sorry.
My bad. Tara, uwi na tayo. Why do you guys say? Because all of them!
Harlem
Alam nyo, dito sa mundo, okay lang kahit magipagsuntukan. Kaya simulan nyo na. Sige. Fight! Fight!
and do the Harlem Shake.